Hi guys, today our topic is all about the fundamental trigonometric identities. It's all about trigo. Okay, so at the end of this lesson, you will be able to derive the fundamental trigonometric identities. You will be able to simplify trigonometric expression using the fundamental trigonometric identities. Then third, is we are going to prove trigonometric identities. Okay, so let's start. Start with the magic hexagon. Okay, so let's start with the derivation of the fundamental identities. So I'll introduce to you the magic hexagon. Then other call this one super hexagon. Okay, so we have a middle one. This is one. Okay, so this is tangent theta. Opposite po niya ay cotangent theta. This is sine theta. This is cosine theta. This one is secant theta. And this is cosecant theta. Okay, this is the magic hexagon. Okay, let's start with the reciprocal identities. Reciprocal identities. Okay, so let's start with sine theta. Sine theta, refer po tayo sa magic hexagon natin. Sine theta is equal to 1 over cosecant theta. Then, cosecant theta is equal to 1 over sine theta. Okay? Next, have cosine theta is equal to 1 over secant theta. Cosine theta is equal to 1 over secant theta. And also, secant theta is equal to 1 over cosine theta. Secant theta is equal to 1 over cosine theta. Tangent theta is equal to 1 over cotangent theta. 1 over cotangent theta. Then, cotangent theta is equal to 1 over tangent theta. Okay, so this is the reciprocal identities. Okay? Derivation of these reciprocal identities. Okay? For example, this one, sine theta is equal to 1 over cosecant theta. So therefore, sine theta, cosecant theta is equal to 1. Okay? In this case, cosine theta, secant theta also equal to 1. Tangent theta, cotangent theta is equal to 1. Okay? So, same lang. Same lang po dito. Okay? So, cross multiplication po yung gamit. So, over 1, then cross multiply, over 1, cross multiply, over 1, cross multiply. So, cosecant theta, sin theta, same lang po dito, is equal to 1. Secant theta, cosine theta, same lang din po dito, is equal to 1. Then, cotangent theta, tangent theta, same lang po dito, is equal to 1. This is the derivation of the reciprocal identities. Okay, next, we have the quotient identities. Tingnan natin ha. Okay, so let's have the quotient identities. So this is the quotient identities. Okay, so let's start with tangent theta. Tangent theta is equal to sine theta over cosine theta. Over cosine theta. Then also, tangent theta is equal to, tangent theta is equal to secant theta over cosecant theta. Okay? Next, cotangent theta cosine theta over sine theta. Cotangent theta is equal to cosine theta over sine theta. Also, cotangent theta is equal to cosecant theta over secant theta. Okay, so this is the quotient identity. Derivation. Sample, this one. So, tangent theta, cross multiply, cosine theta is equal to sine theta. Okay? Then this one, cotangent theta, sine theta, cotangent theta, sine theta is equal to cosine theta. Okay? This one, tangent theta, cosecant theta is equal to secant theta. Next, cotangent theta, secant theta is equal to cosecant theta. So this is the derivation of the quotient identities. Next, we have the Pythagorean identities. Pythagorean identities. Okay? So, Pythagorean identities. Ganito lang po yan ha. Shade ko lang po muna to. Then this one. Also this one. Okay, Pythagorean identities. Sin squared theta. Sin squared theta plus cosine squared theta is equal to 1. Plus cosine squared theta is equal to 1. Then sin squared theta plus cosine squared theta is equal to 1. Then next, tangent squared theta plus 1 is equal to secant squared theta. Tangent squared theta plus 1 is equal to secant squared theta. Next, 1 plus cotangent squared theta is equal to cosecant squared theta. 1 plus cotangent squared theta is equal to cosecant squared theta. So, this is the Pythagorean identities. Derivation, ito, pwede na yan. Pwede yung derive natin. Tatlo yung derivation nito. Let's say, sin squared theta. Sin squared theta is equal to 1 minus cosine squared theta. Or, cosine squared theta is equal to 1 minus sine squared theta. Okay? So, tangent. So, let's say, tangent theta. Tangent squared theta is equal to secant squared theta minus 1. Or, also, can be, say, secant squared theta minus tangent squared theta is equal to 1. Okay? Para po yan sa tangent. Next, let's say, yung last. Let's say, for example, cotangent squared theta. Cotangent squared theta is equal to cosecant squared theta minus 1. Cosecant squared theta minus 1. Okay? Also, it can be equal to, let's say, cosecant squared theta minus cotangent squared theta is equal to 1. So, kung mapapansin nyo na gamit po natin halos lahat na skills sa basic algebra. Okay? Yung transposition, okay, yung cross multiplication, the properties of, let's say, the properties of fraction, and other properties. Apply na po natin lahat dito. Okay, so this is the Pythagorean identities, the derivation of the Pythagorean identities. Okay? So next we have the even odd identities. Okay? So tatlo lang po yan. Say sine of negative theta. So a theta can be an angle or any real number. Okay? Sine of negative theta is equal to negative sine theta. Okay? Say cosine of negative theta is equal to positive cosine theta. Then tangent of negative theta is equal to the negative tangent theta. So yun lang po yung even and odd identities. Okay, so let's start with simplifying trigonometric expression using the fundamental trigonometric identities. Okay? Example number 1. So, you have tangent theta, cosine theta over sine theta. Okay? So, we're going to simplify these trigonometric identities. Okay? So, yung pinaka-discarte, kung pwede mong ma-equate yung iba in terms of sine and cosine, mas maganda. Okay? For example, in this case, so yung sine, may sine na, may cosine na. So, si tangent, express natin in terms sa sine and cosine. Okay? So, tangent theta can be equal to sa quotient identities, tangent theta can be equal to sine theta over cosine theta. Okay, so papalitan mo natin si tangent theta. Okay, tangent theta can be equal to sine theta over cosine theta. So times cosine theta over sine theta. Okay? So, pag multiply, operation, properties of fraction po yan. So, mangyayari po dito, cancel po natin yung counter. So, matitira po sa taas, sine na lang po. So, it is equal to sine theta na lang over sine theta. Then, therefore, it is equal to 1. Okay? So, tangent theta, cosine theta over sine theta is equal to 1. Okay? So, next we have, let's say we have cosine theta over cotangent theta. Okay, so we're going to simplify the given trigonometric expression. So, ganun pa rin yung pinaka-discarte pag mayroon kayong makitang sine theta or cosine theta, yung the rest express mo sa sine and cosine. For example, cotangent theta, ganun pa rin sa quotient identities, cotangent theta is equal to cosine theta over sine theta. Okay? So, papalitan po natin ha. So, cosine, si cosine, huwag na. Yung mga sine at cosine, huwag na. Yung iba na lang. Okay? Like cotangent, in this case. So, cotangent can be equal to cosine theta over sine theta. Okay? Fraction, whole number over fraction. Okay? So, mayroon pong denominator na 1. Then, outer times outer over inner times inner. Outer times outer equal to sine theta cosine theta over cosine theta. Cancel the common terms. Then, result, sine theta. So, therefore, cosine theta over cotangent theta is equal to sine theta. What? Okay na po? Okay, next. Another example. So, yung gagawin natin example from simple to complex. Okay? So, next we have sample number 3. Cosine squared theta plus cosine squared theta tangent squared theta. Okay, so this time, pag may mga squared na po, ibig sabihin, nandun na po tayo sa Pythagorean identities. Okay? So, we're going to simplify this trigonometric expression. So, ganun pa rin yung pinaka-discarte. Kahit ano maisip mo na pwedeng simplify. But in this case, common. Common si cosine squared theta, common si cosine squared theta. So yung gagawin ko muna dito, pa-factor out ko po si cosine squared theta. Okay. So, mangyayari, cosine squared theta. So, magiging 1 plus tangent squared theta. So, tingin ko mas madali lang. Okay? So, ito, mamaya, another example tayo, another solution po tayo dyan para pag-simplify niya. Okay. Cosine squared theta times 1 plus tangent squared theta. May mga derivation kayo kanina, di ba? Let's say, for example, tangent squared theta plus 1 or 1 plus tangent squared theta is equal to secant squared theta. Ano? Okay? 1 plus tangent squared theta is equal to secant squared theta sa Pythagorean identities. So, 1 plus tangent squared theta is equal to secant squared theta. Papalitan natin. So, cosine squared theta times secant squared theta. Okay, masisimplify po po ulit. Secant squared theta is equal to, secant squared theta can be equal to 1 over cosine squared theta. Okay? So, let's say, secant theta is equal to 1 over cosine theta. So, may squared. Squared po natin. Squared din po natin ito. Result, secant squared theta is equal to 1 over cosine squared theta. Okay now? So, the value of secant squared theta is equal to 1 over cosine squared theta. Papalitan na po natin. So, cosine squared theta times 1 over cosine squared theta. Ano yung equivalent niya? So, common term, cancel, then it is equal to 1. So, cosine squared theta plus cosine squared theta, tangent squared theta is equal to 1. Okay? Yung mahalaga lang po dito, dapat na-master niyo po yung magic isa. Pag na-master niyo yan, mula reciprocal identities, yung mga derivation ng reciprocal identities. Next, quotient identities, yung mga derivation niya. Yung Pythagorean identities. Then, yung even and odd identities. So, pag na-master niyo po, wala na pong problema yan. Madali lang pong i-simplify yung mga trigonometric expression. So, I'll show you another solution in this, how to simplify this trigonometric expression. Another solution. Okay, for example, hindi factoring yung gagamitin ko na skills. Yung gagamitin ko, yung ita-transpose ko yung tangent theta and sine, in terms of sine theta and cosine theta. Okay? So, let's say cosine theta, cosine squared theta plus cosine squared theta. So, papalitan ko ngayon si tangent squared theta in terms of sine squared theta and cosine squared theta. So, ganun pa rin para sa kanina. So, for example, tangent theta sa quotient identity, tangent theta is equal to sine theta. Di ba? Tangent theta is equal to sine theta over cosine theta. So, pag in-squared ko to, squared din yan. Okay, valent niya. Okay? Tangent squared theta is equal to sine squared theta over cosine squared theta. Now, papalitan ko si tangent squared theta. So, is equal to sine squared theta over cosine squared theta. Okay? Okay, so next. Common term, cancel. Cosine squared theta plus sine squared theta is equal to 1. So, yung Pythagorean identity sa atin kanina, sine squared theta plus cosine squared theta is equal to 1 or cosine squared theta plus sine squared theta is equal to 1. Ito na po yun. Cosine squared theta plus sine squared theta is equal to 1. So, paras lang. Kahit ano yung technique na gamitin mo, pagdating sa baba, kung tama yung solution mo, tama yung pag-simplify mo, mag-a-arrive po tayo ng pares na answer. Okay? So, yung solution po dito, iba-iba po. Pero yung answer natin, isa lang. So, wala pong problema yung solution. Basta arrive po tayo sa isang sagot lang. Okay? So, okay now, let's have another example. Pythagorean identities, then kasama din po yung reciprocal identities, squared lang po natin. Okay, for example, 1 plus tangent squared theta. Ito na, 1 plus tangent squared theta is equivalent to secant squared theta. So it is equal to secant squared theta over 1 plus cotangent squared theta. So 1 plus cotangent squared theta is equal to cosecant squared theta. Okay? So this is equal to cosecant squared theta. Now, secant squared theta tsaka cosecant squared over cosecant squared theta is equal to what? Refer tayo sa quotient identity. Okay, quotient identity. Secant, cosecant. Okay? So it can be equal to, let's say, start tayo dito, tangent theta is equal to secant theta over cosecant theta. So therefore, let's say for example, tangent squared theta can be equal to secant squared theta over secant squared theta and over cosecant squared theta. Okay, so therefore, secant squared theta over cosecant squared theta is equal to tangent squared theta. Yan yung pinakasimple lang. So yun na yung sagot. So 1 plus tangent squared theta over 1 plus cotangent squared theta is equal to tangent squared theta. Okay? So next we have the proving identities. So we are going to prove the other trigonometric identities using the fundamental trigonometric identities. Okay, so next we have the proving trigonometric identity. So this time, so hindi lang basta natin i-simplify yung mga expression. So this time we're going to prove if the equation on the right side is equal to the left side. Okay? Example we have, we're going to prove if secant x minus cosine x is equal to sin x tangent x. Okay? So in proving trigonometric identities, so yung first step po dyan, kailangan mong mamili. So, saan ba yung more complicated side? Left side ba or right side trigonometric expression or yung right side or left side yung more complicated expression? So, mamili ka po dyan. Example dito. So, kung dito, medyo komplikado din. Dito, medyo komplikado din. Hindi ikaw ang bahala. Okay? So, then, mag-i-start ka lang po sa isang side lang. So, kung ito yung i-simplify mo siya, then you're going to prove that sin x tangent x is equal to secant x minus cosine x. Kung dito ka rin mag-i-start, sa tingin mo ito yung more complicated expression. So, kung dito ka mag-i-start, you're going to prove that secant x minus cosine x is equal to sin x tangent x. Okay, so for example, dito ako mag-i-start sa right side. So, ipoprove ko po na sin x tangent x is equal to secant x minus cosine x. Okay, let's say, so sin x, so si tangent x, i-express ko po siya in terms of sin x and cosine x. So tangent x, sa quotient identity, tangent x is equal to sin x over cosine x. So, is equal to sin x over cosine x. Okay? So, fraction, sin x times sin x is sin squared x over cosine x. Okay? Squared, refer po tayo doon sa Pythagorean identities. Sin squared x can be equal to 1 minus cosine squared x over cosine x. Okay, na-apply na po natin. Pwede apply yung properties of fraction. For example, this, let's say A plus B over C. This one can be equal to A over C plus B over C. Okay? So, apply natin dito. So, it can be equal to 1 over cosine x minus cosine squared x over cosine x. 1 over cosine x. 1 over cosine x is equal to secant x. So this can be equal to secant x minus cosine squared x over cosine x is equal to cosine x. Yan na natin, equal ba? Ito yung given. Lagay natin sa baba. So it is equal to secant x minus cosine x. So secant x minus cosine x is equal to secant x minus cosine x. So ganun po yung pag-prove ng trigonometric identities. Okay, so let's have another solution in proving these trigonometric identities. Okay? So, for example, dito naman ako sa kabila. Sa kabila naman po yung isi-simplify ko, hindi ko prove po na equal siya sa sin x, tangent x. Okay? Dito naman po yung gagalawin ko. Secant x minus cosine x. Okay? Secant x in terms of sine and cosine. So, secant x or secant theta is equal to 1 over cosine theta. So, secant x can be equal to 1 over cosine x minus cosine x. So, yun na yan. Kung equal ba yan, so mamaya na lang. Okay? So, apply na po natin dito yung combining like terms. Combining like terms. Okay. Example. LCD. Cosine x. So, cosine x over cosine x is equal to 1 minus, copy the operation between cosine x over 1 is equal to cosine x times cosine x is equal to cosine squared x. 1 minus cosine squared x. 1 minus cosine squared x is equal to sine squared x. Paano? So, sine squared x plus cosine squared x is equal to 1. Therefore, 1 or sine squared x is equal to 1 minus, so report tayo dito kasi sine squared x, theta, x na lang, plus cosine squared x is equal to 1. So, sine squared x is equal to 1 minus cosine squared x. So, the equivalent of this expression is equal to sine squared x. So, sine squared x over cosine x. So, try natin kung mag-equal ba siya dun sa sine x, tangent x. For example, sine squared x over cosine x. So, ipapaktor ko po si sine. Sine squared x. Gagawin ko siya sine x. So, pag pinactor out ko, matitira doon sin x over cosine x. Tama ba? Okay? So, dito na lang. Dito na lang. So, sin x. So, sin x over cosine x is equal to tangent x. So, sin x over cosine x is equal to tangent x. So, therefore, sin x tangent x is equal to equal lang. Sin x tangent x equal lang. So, kaya kung bala kung saan po yung katingin nyo yung basta yung pinaka-discarte dito kung saan yung komplikado, more complicated expression, yung po yung gagalawin mo. Okay? Okay, now, this is the second example. 1 plus sine theta over 1 minus sine theta minus 1 minus sine theta over 1 plus sine theta is equal to 4 sine theta secant square theta. Okay, this sine, tatingin nyo, asan yung more complicated expression? Right side or left side? This side or this side? I think this side is the more complicated expression, trigonometric expression. So, ito po yung gagalawin ko. Hindi ko po gagalawin si 4 sine square theta. I'm going to prove that this expression is equal to 4 sine theta secant squared theta. Okay. Line. Saan ba? Combine sila lahat. Okay. So, yung LCD ko ay 1 minus sine theta times 1 plus sine theta. Okay? So, pag dinivide ko po dito, yung matitira po ay 1 plus sine theta times 1 plus sine theta. So, pinta lang po. 1 plus sine theta times 1 plus sine theta. Okay? Copy the operation between minus. And this one, isipin natin pag dinivide po natin dito. So, yung matitira ay 1 minus sine theta. So, multiply sa taas. So, it is equal to 1 minus sine theta times 1 minus sine theta. Okay? Next, simplify na po natin. Sa isa lang po. So, this one, it is equal to 1 plus 2 sine theta plus sine squared theta. So, apply na po natin yung binomial theorem. Tama ba? Then x plus y squared, pwedeng apply na ganyan. Divide is equal to x plus y times x plus y. So, this one, x squared, square the first term, then x times y times 2, or 2xy, plus square the last term. Pares lang. Application lang po tayo. Okay? Yun na po. Next po nito. Okay? So, 1 minus 2 sine theta plus sine squared theta. Ingat po dito So, yung iba, hindi na po nilalagyan ng ganito. Then, hindi na po na-change yung sign. Then, mali na po yung solution. Over 1 minus. So, 0. So, minus sine squared theta. Okay po? Move po ako dito Erase ko na po yung magic hexagon natin. Okay. Next. So, simplify ko muna yung numerator. So, 1 plus 2 sine theta plus sine squared theta. So, i-distribute ko na po yung negative. So, magiging minus 1 plus 2 sine theta minus sine squared theta over 1 minus sine squared theta. Okay? As common term. Sine squared. Cancel na po. So, matitira sa taas, 4 sine theta over 1 minus sine squared theta. Okay? So, ulit. Next, ang gagawin natin. So, 1 minus sine squared theta is equal to cosine squared theta. Okay? Diba? So, sine squared theta plus cosine squared theta is equal to 1. So, yung 1 minus sine squared theta is equal to cosine squared theta. So, papalitan po natin ngayon. So, it is equal to 4 sine theta over cosine squared theta. Okay, so, ito na po yun. Is equal to 4 sine theta over cosine squared theta. Then, this expression can be equal also to 4 sine theta times 1 over cosine squared theta. Tama ba? So, pag minultiply ko ito, 4 sine theta times 1 over cosine squared theta is equal to 4 sine theta over cosine squared theta. Tama po ba? Okay. Continue lang po. So, this is 4 sine theta. Okay. 1 over cosine squared theta is equal to secant squared theta. Tama? So, cosine theta is equal to 1 over secant theta. Then, secant theta is equal to 1 over cosine theta. So, yung squared po yan, squared din po ito. So, secant squared theta is equal to 1 over cosine squared theta. So, secant squared theta is equal to 1 over cosine squared theta. Ito na po yun. Papalitan natin ng secant squared theta. So, saan po natin siya i-prove? Saan i-prove? Dito po. So, nakikita nyo? So, 4 sin theta secant squared theta is equal to 4 sin theta secant squared theta. So, lagyan lang po natin dito. 4 sin theta secant squared theta is equal. Okay? So, ganun lang po yung pag-prove. So, again, kailangan lang po natin ma-master yung magic hexagon para sa pag-simplify ng trigonometric expression, then also sa pag-prove ng trigonometric identities. Okay? So, that's all. Again, thank you for watching.